Day begins in our cabin. That's Nacy's Backstreet Boys running outfit. Yeah. Full millennia.
Yeah. My cult outfit.
She's ready. It's 31 degrees outside.
It is.
So it's gonna be cold.
And I got my fanny pack, which I will wear as a fanny pack. It has my whatchamacallits in it? My
fruit roll-ups.
And the keys.
And the keys.
So that way, if I go low, which I don't think I will, but usually I go, when I work out, I go high for like the first 20 minutes or so. And then after that, I start to dip. So we'll see how this goes. This is my first attempt. And I'm hoping I planned correctly.
Made it to the Turkey Trot. That's what we're looking at. Small town. It's about 30 degrees outside, so it's a little chilly. Packet pickup. Here we go. So we picked up our packets there. There's the main stage. I think that's the start and the finish. That's what we're looking at. Getting ready to start the race. Check out the yellow turkeys. It's like a chicken turkey.
Oh, no.
5 minutes till. It's pretty packed for a small town turkey trot. And so it begins. Alright, everybody.
Fun.
See you at the end. Here we go. It's very difficult to get hopefully once we get past. Starting the race. Getting through everything. It's a fun little adventure. A couple more laps left to do. But that's what we're looking at. Oh, hopefully Nancy's filming. Coming up on the ending. Oh, that man is gas. I can see the end in sight. Finally. Made it to the finish.
You did it! Yeah! Here comes Gary. He's almost done. He's got this. He did so good.
There's the stage. I guess my dad ran under 35. Not bad for a 70-year-old. Got some candy and stuff over here and some water. I'm gonna grab some water. See, they're starting to filter out. I love the creativity of people. It's so cool. Little turkey guy.
So after our run, we decided to go to Waffle House and get some breakfast. We is getting breakfast. Everybody else in the town also had the same idea because it is packed up in this Waffle House.
It was a great experience. It was a little defeating. The end pops up and then you have to go like a half mile back and turn back around. So it's probably about like, I don't know, it was almost a half mile. Then you kind of turn back and go underneath it. It's a little bit defeating when you're not feeling good like I was and you're trying to run a 5K. Weirdly, we've already got our next one scheduled in the Christmas time, so you'll probably see that on the channel too. I'm gonna work a little better on covering the 5K. Sorry guys, I was a little out of it during that and wasn't really feeling great. Family had come up and got me sick, and so it just wasn't my best running either. But it was a great experience. I finished in about 57 minutes. So even though you see 59 when you're watching on the clock, we don't actually start at the first point. They actually started 10 minutes later. So everyone finished a little bit quicker than the clock was showing. My dad didn't end up finishing in the low 30s, and Nacy got in the low 50s. So not too bad for our first 5K, and excited for the next one. It was a great experience. If you're thinking about doing a Turkey Trot, the Blue Ridge one was really fun. It's really easy to get to. Parking was easy. Getting in and out was easy. The only downside is that everything's closed afterwards, so there's not really a place to grab a bite to eat. So definitely plan ahead and get yourself some breakfast or something at wherever you're staying if you're going to do it. But otherwise, a great experience. Now we're going to we were actually in Blue Ridge the day before Thanksgiving, just kind of touring the place and looking around. So we'll show you what we're up to there. Visiting Blue Ridge again. Last time we were here right before Halloween. You can see there's a little more Christmas ornaments out. And that's where the train is. The train's still at the station. And there's those pedal bikes too. Just kind of exploring the downtown area. Deathman vinyl. Low-hanging balls. There's the Blue Ridge Mountain Mall. It's very nichey.
Made it over to the rock place while we wait for our table. This place is actually pretty cute. I recently got into rock collecting myself. I just went gem mining, and I'm gonna probably get a rock tumbler so I can tumble some rocks. Definitely really cool. I got some smooth. These obviously have been through a few tumbles and washers. I got some of these in my. I got some of this. I definitely got some of this. This is Tigers something. So I'll use these. This is like rainbow moonstone. I definitely got some of these amethyst. That'll be really cool once I get them in the tumbler. Found these.
Do you want me to hold that for you?
These look really pretty. Those are really cool. And then this is like, kind of looks fuzzy, but it's not fuzzy. It looks really cool though. In the back here, they have furniture and like wood carvings and stuff. It's really pretty. A little out of my budget, but it's very pretty. Alright, next up we went to the general store, and they always have like so much candy in here. It's so cute.
And then it's not as bad. Yeah.
This is interesting. It looks like sriracha, but it's sour sauce. It's called sriracha. That's cool. Random. Want some gummy fried chicken? Or some pizza gummies. That's cool too. Get some cricket, dark chocolate covered crickets. That's interesting. This is another one of those souracha. I do like my sour candy. Candy for miles. Oh, that's cute. Shroot from The Office. And you got the Golden Girls. Next up on our stops, we went to the socks and gifts store. So it's like mostly socks in here. But they do have some shirts. And then they got some magnets and car coasters. It's a cute little store. I like that shirt. Breathe deep. Sometimes we just need a reminder. Wonder what Gary's doing over at the bar.
We ended our Blue Ridge day a little bit early because we do have the run the next day. But Fighting Town Tavern is where we got a bite to eat. Great burgers, really good place to go. And it's got a really good bar too. We've been there a few times on the channel. Check down the show notes. You can see some of our videos where we stopped at the Fighting Town Tavern. It's a really good place to eat and really fun. And we had a great day. Now we're going to go and show you a little bit of the cabin we rented for our Thanksgiving week. This is where we've been basically staying all week. Check it out. One last look at our cabin. We've got it all packed up. It's looking good. Nacy's doing a final vacuum, and we're just kind of done. Getting ready to head on out. That's what she looked like. This is kind of what the cabin looked like. Good stay. Yeah, it was a good stay. Nacy will talk about it in the car. But we're ready to go. Whew. The road on the way out of the cabin. This is the worst dip right here.
One last roll out.
Yeah. Hopefully you can hear it on the camera. There she is. Alright. Yeah, that's what the road out looks like. Cabin living. What a great Thanksgiving week. We had a lot of fun. Great that family and friends came up to see us and got to spend some time. The Turkey Trot was a great experience. My first 5K in a very long time. Nacy's first ever. So really fun. She would be here right now, but she's already at work. We're on our next trip and she's working already, and I'm just finishing up editing this video, honestly, the day before it posts. So I'm still getting over that cold thing that I got, but I'm happily feeling a little bit better. But we hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week. And we'll come and get you for the next one. And as always, ain't that the truth, Baby Ruth. Bye, everybody.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.